Sarah, a diligent employee at a reputable financial services company, prided herself on her efficiency and attention to detail. She handled several client accounts and often communicated through emails. One busy Monday morning, Sarah received an email from what seemed to be the company's IT department. The email subject read, "Urgent. Password policy update required immediately." The email appeared legitimate, with the company's logo and usual IT contact information. The message urged Sarah to click on a link to change her password due to a security upgrade. With the company emphasizing cybersecurity in recent training sessions, Sarah didn't want to be the one who failed to follow protocol. Without second guessing, she clicked the link and entered her credentials on the site. Unbeknownst to her, the email was a cleverly crafted phishing attempt. The moment Sarah submitted her details, cybercriminals gained access to her account. Within minutes, they used her credentials to send fraudulent payment instructions to several clients, causing confusion and financial loss. When IT flagged the unusual activity, it was already too late. Client trust was damaged, and the company incurred significant losses. Sarah was mortified. In an emergency meeting, the IT director emphasized that a few minutes of caution could have prevented the attack. To address the situation, the company revamped its email security policies, introduced stricter spam filters, and mandated additional training. Employees were reminded to always verify the authenticity of unexpected emails, even if they appeared to be from internal sources. Lesson learned: always verify email sources. Employees should double-check the sender's email address and confirm with the supposed sender through a different communication channel, especially when sensitive information or actions are requested. Be wary of urgent requests. Phishing emails often create a sense of urgency to compel employees to act hastily. Take a moment to think and verify before responding. Know the signs of a phishing attempt. Employees should look out for misspellings, incorrect URLs, or subtle inconsistencies in the message's tone and structure.